Hey everyone, Johnny here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've captured a couple of trades on BTU and XELB. This ended up being a really long video, so I've sped it up to 4x speed. Hope you enjoyed these live trades. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and leave any questions or comments below. Watching BTU here, 1000 shares short at $3.46. I'll add more if it pops higher. There is RSI divergence. Price is trading over the 3 standard deviation mark. Target at the moment is $3.35. Added more shares here, 2,000 shares short now, with an average of $3.48. New target is 340. Okay, so fat fingered in a wrong order. Instead of 341, it got out at 351, so immediately got back in with 1,000 shares. Average now is 350, added some more. Target back to 340 again. Changing it to 338. Trying to add some shares at $3.55. Average now is 350. Here it hits 340, but I only get a partial fill, so I still have 1887 shares left. Here I took out 1587 shares, 300 shares left, which I ended up taking off for a small gain. So watching XELB here. Short 500 shares at 378. 1000 shares short now. Average is 379. Target at the moment is 355. Added some more here, 1500 shares short now. Average is 384. $2,000 shares short now with a 387 average. Took off 500 here to recycle. Added it back. Average now is 392. $2,500 shares short now. Average is 396. Took off 500 shares to manage my risk. The first target is 385. Okay, we got those off. 1500 shares left. Got some more off. 1000 shares left. Target at 355 still. Change the target to $3.56 because our mean line is at 355. Here changing the order to $3.63. And here I end up changing it to 365, which gets hit soon. There it is, out from the trade, $396.04. This is how my end of day P&L looks like. Traded 6 ticker symbols with a realized profit of $928.83 before fees and commissions. Thanks for watching and have a good one.